You made a project, you dumped everything into it, and the answers got worse, not better. The knowledge base is not storage, it is context that gets read on every single message. Put the wrong thing in there, and you pay for it in every answer. So here is what actually belongs. A project is two things bolted together. A set of instructions that never change, and a folder of files that Claude can see the whole time you are in there. That second part is the one people get wrong. They treat it like a hard drive. It is not a hard drive. It is a briefing that gets reread before every reply. Think of hiring someone brilliant who has amnesia every morning. The knowledge base is the one page you leave on their desk. One page, not the whole archive. Here is the test, and you only need this one. Would I paste this into every single message? If the answer is no, it does not go in the knowledge base. That is it. That is the whole rule. Everything below is just that rule applied. 4 things are in their place. First, the thing you keep re-explaining, your tone, your rules, the way your company writes numbers. If you have typed it more than twice, it goes in. Second, facts the model cannot guess. Your product names, your pricing tiers, your internal words for things. Claude is not going to invent that your basic plan is called starter and not basic. It will guess, and it will guess wrong. Third, 1 or 2 examples you were actually happy with, not 10. 2. A good example does more work than a page of description because it shows the shape, the length, and the tone all at once. Fourth, the shape of the thing you want back, a template, headings in order, where the numbers go. This is the difference between an answer you use and an answer you rewrite. Now the other side, and this is where projects go bad. Raw dumps, everything we have ever written, all in one folder. That does not give Claude more knowledge, it gives it more to sift through, and the important line gets buried under 900 unimportant ones. Anything that changes weekly. A stale price is worse than no price. If you would not trust the file in a month, it does not belong in the base. Duplicates. 2 files that half agree will fight each other, and you will not be able to tell which one won. One source perfect, and one of material, notes for a single task. That is a chat, not a project. Drop it in the conversation and let it disappear when you are done. People mix these up constantly, so quickly. Instructions are how to behave. Always ask before assuming. Never invent a number. Keep it under 200 words. The knowledge base is what to know. The pricing, the style guide, the example. Behavior goes up top. Facts go in the folder. When you put behavior in a file, it gets treated as reference and quietly ignored. If you already have a project that is not working, do not rebuild it. Strip it. Open the folder. For every file, ask the question: would I paste this into every message? Delete everything that gets a no. Most people cut it down by 3/4 and the project immediately starts behaving. Fewer files, better answers every time. That is the whole thing. One rule applied honestly. I test practical Claude workflows every week. Next, the one I keep getting asked about, Claude code for people who do not code.